A couple years ago, I bought this barn, and it came with 10 acres. It was owned by an old prospector, gold miner type dude that got old and couldn't keep up with the place, so it's in quite a bit of disrepair. I've been busy with life, and just never got around to it, but I finally have some time, and I want to get after it. So I got this place a couple years ago, and the only thing I've done is sell an old car out of it. I've got a buddy coming here in the morning with a tractor, and we're going to clear this whole yard. But before we can, I want to take advantage of all this firewood. Still, the manufacturer of the chainsaws advertises that if you use their fuel, it will always start. The blade on this thing is hopelessly dull. Get her under the store and get a new blade. Just casually walked into the grocery store with a chainsaw. Got a chainsaw blade and groceries, all in the same transaction. We got to put in a septic tank. What do you got?
Look, it's got a handwritten note. See the lettering?
Oh, wow.
And looks like dirt. There's another bag. I don't know if there's anything in it. Oh, there's all kinds of...
What the heck?
No note.
Where did that little tube go?
Right here.
So we found some spoons.
Should we cut it open?
Yeah. And we found a tube that has a note. I'm gonna try and get that out of there, but I'm sure it's really delicate. Center, does it say? Center of pond in front of
like
first tank. Sample? Weird. Here's a file of something. Cork. Weird. What the heck is going on here, man? This is really weird.
Yeah, you can really see
This is that. Look at it.
Super silty.
And salt, yeah. Negligible fence.
Well, it's not poop.
It is like kind of silt.
Was there a note in that one too?
That's the one I took it out of.
Oh. Center of pond in front of first tank. And it says 7/14/1979. And then there's another note here have to pull that out of there. So I'm over here early before all the engines get started and people are making noise. And day 2 of putting in the septic system here at the barn. I opened this vial and there's a note inside and it's really delicate. I tried my best not to tear it. This one's dated 3/9/1970 and it says MM, and it's torn, dissolve nitrates, add water, disappears, add H2O, what does this say? Something residue. What was this guy up to? We gotta clean this whole area up. And I just want to grade it all out. What are they doing over there? My friend Amelia Hartford and her crew had something cool they wanted to show me, and I was expecting them. And they're over at the barn.
Get off my lawn.
What were you knuckleheads doing in my barn?
You could see us? Did Bailey tell you?
No, she didn't say anything. What are you guys doing down there? How'd you get in? So my friend Amelia has brought out her NASCAR Superbird and they surprised me and snuck it into the barn. And it's all done. I actually sold them the car that they built it out of. And the battery's dead right now, but we're gonna fire it up. And it is absolutely friggin' sick. It is the coolest thing I've seen in a long time. Anyway, we're gonna fire it up right now. I'm so proud of you guys.
It was definitely a team effort to get
my.
this done.
This looks like so much work.
I like how you say done and there's like door panels like missing.
Battery on.
Battery on. Give her a little juice.
Oh my god.
Say, my name's John Baker and welcome to Jackass.
My name's John Baker. Oh, you got something on there.
My name's John Baker. Welcome to Jackass.
We can drive down the road too if you're worried about. I don't understand how you could be worried about neighbors when there's no neighbors. But
There's no neighbors.
yeah,
My neighbor's my best friend.
cool. I like that. That's good.
It's actually the only neighbor I've had that's my friend.
Really?
Yeah, all the rest of the neighbors have hated me profusely
Yeah.
in my life.
Yeah. Screw 'em.